smile, your laugh. In my eyes, you're totally perfect.
Guys, so bago ka pa lang, i-subscribe mo na lang. And also, click the notification bell para updated ka whenever I upload a new video. So, okay. So, tuturuan ko kayo paano mag-margarette. Second basic step. Second basic step is, ko alam ano yung tawag dito. Diba tapos tayo dito? Yes, tuturo ko yan sa inyo. Pero, syempre, yung gamitin natin yung ito. Paano na siya pa-vertical na siya. Diba ito yung horizontal? Ito yung, horizontal. Diba ito yung vertical? Ito yung horizontal. So, horizontal niya siya. First part is hold your baton. Wala kasi ako gis baton. This in the center. And then, your tail should be under, up. Then, you're gonna twist it. Up, under, twist, up, under, twist, and then it's like okay. So let's try up, under, twist, up. Yes. So bibilisan nyo lang. Like guys, parang feel ko tama ko ganito. Yes. Same process. Up, under, twist, up, under, twist, up, under, twist. Yes. Ganun lang po siya. So, bye-bye!
Your smile, your laugh. In my eyes, you're totally perfect.